To turn on or off a battery saver for a Google Pixel 10 Pro, first of all, you'll need to open settings on your smartphone. Next step is to locate the battery, so scroll down a bit until you can find it. For me, it's right there. Then we can go for a battery saver. Here you can turn it on and off, but there's also additional options that you can customize. You can choose to use standard battery saver, which limits visual effects and background activity, turns on dark mode if not already on. And then there's Extreme Battery Saver, which includes all changes listed above from standard battery saver, but also pauses any non-essential apps and their notifications. So this should increase your decrease your battery consumption a lot. If you go for a second option right here, you can click on the gear icon and see which apps are essential. You can then add some apps if you want to have them in that mode. There's also schedules and reminders. You can turn on a schedule based on your battery level, so your battery saver will toggle automatically, for example, when you reach 20% of battery, and you can customize it using this slider. You can turn it off also automatically when you charge your phone to 90%. And then there's reminders, there's battery saver reminder, and if your battery reaches low level, you'll get a reminder to enable it if you don't have that schedule. And finally, there's adaptive battery, which uses AI your phone to learn how you're using your phone and other apps, and then it will try to manage those apps and close them and etc. To maintain battery on your phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.